Pickin' winners with Graham and Gwen. My name's James Roche.
My name is Graham.
What's your name, girl?
My name's Gwen Roche.
All right. Well, we're gonna calm down right quick, and we're gonna recap the games that happened last week. Man, I got beat up. We all did. Everyone went in strong on the Broncos, but our picks for Seattle and who's the other bird team? Let's see.
Eagles.
No, we
Falcons.
lost.
I chose the Rams and I won.
Everyone picked Saints.
Yeah.
Everyone picked Broncos. That's where we made the same bets. Everyone picked Seahawks. But the people that, those of us who picked Falcons wound up getting a fluke win. So congrats to them. I'm last in line.
And also, I got the Rams. I was the only one who chose the Rams, and I got it.
We'll need to go to the videotape on that, buddy. You changed your mind at the last second. So
Yeah, but you can't do that.
You can do it when you win, but you don't do it when you lose. I don't know. Seems a little fishy. Anyway, let's get to this week's games. Hot contest, 5 bird teams, 5 out of 5. First one, Arizona Cardinals, Chicago Bears. Bears? All right, bold move. Gwenny? Cardinals or Bears?
Well, what are you going to choose?
I need yours first.
Okay. I kind of can't do one.
I'll say Cardinals.
I'll actually say Cardinals too.
All right, I thought.
Wait, the Cardinals over the Bears? They're going to win.
We'll see. The
Actually,
Cardinals did really well this week, and the Bears did really poorly. All right, now this time when you change your vote, is it going to count, or are we going to say, or if the Bears win, you're going to say, I voted me. Cardinals, yes or no?
Yes.
All right, next one, Falcons Giants. The Atlanta Falcons versus the Jersey Giants.
Falcons.
Gwenny?
Falcons.
I'm Falcons too. Next one. This is kind of the war of the wimps. The Ravens versus the Raiders. Last week, Jody Flacco ended the day with, in one of my leagues, 3.85 fantasy points. Came in as a blocking tight end. Graham, who do you pick? Ravens or
Ravens.
Ravens or Raiders? Gwen?
Daddy, I kind of want you to do it first.
I'm actually going to go out on a limb and go Raiders. I think they have some chaps.
What does the Raiders sign look like?
It's that guy with the eye patch.
I want Raiders because their sign looks cool.
Well, do you want? It's not who you want to win. It's who you think is going to win.
I think it's gonna be Raiders.
I think it's going to be Raiders too. 3 Raiders. Here we go. 4th pick. This is the one. The Philadelphia Eagles and the Dallas Wow Boys. Who do you like?
Wow Boys. The Eagles lost to the Falcons.
Gwen, who do you like?
Kind of like Eagles.
I'm going Eagles too. For my money, the Eagles are scouting the Wow Boys because they played them twice. They didn't do such a good job scouting the Falcons. The Eagles learned something from last night's game. Man, that was terrible. It wasn't terrible, but
in your face.
Yeah, shush. Anyway, last game. Seattle versus the Green Bay
That's obvious.
Packers, huh? Gwen, who do you like?
Kind of Seahawks.
You want the Seahawks over the best?
Cheer up, Gwen. You
over
look
the
like you just like you're ruminating over a lost dog or something.
She's choosing the Seahawks.
Anyway, at the risk of
over the
extending
best
this into the
team.
5-minute range, I'm going to pick the Packers over the Seahawks. So we have a mixed bag. Let's recap our games. Graham, what do you think of the Eagles' loss last night?
It was awesome.
You can suck it.
Okay, I got peace out.
That's right.
Peace
out.
And also, the extra word is Pippi plots poopy butt.
It doesn't make any sense. We're no longer doing an extra word.
Why?
Eagles are in the phony club until they win a game. I'll take that. Anyway, 5 Gs. Adios.
Peace out.